Hi, my name is Ajmal Haris. I've been in IT for last 6 years. I work as a IT consultant. Yeah, my qualification is I have a bachelor's degree in commerce. After that, I did my 2 years diploma in computer science. I have done a lot of certification. I've done Microsoft. I have done Citrix certification. I have done Citrix. I have done storage certification. One of my friend referred me to NetSoft. I started NetSoft for just one course, but I realized I have to learn more courses. I have done many courses in NetSoft. I'm still doing courses in NetSoft. I have done a lot of certification. I did Citrix certification, also did my Microsoft certification and VMware. I'm also preparing for CCIE Data Center Virtualization. I have done 15 courses in NetSoft. The quality of the trainings are very good. Most of the trainings are on hands-on. It's a real environment scenarios. It is really beneficial for getting a jobs. NetSoft training is a little bit different than other institute. It mainly focus on hands-on, and it gives you skills to do the job very well. NetSoft trainers are different than other institute trainers. They work in a IT environment. They know the real problems. They can help a student to teach them real problems in the IT industry. NetSoft training is very comprehensive. Mostly focus on hands-on lab, so people have to complete their assignments in class and home fun assignment at home. So that's student get the benefit from the hands-on lab. NetSoft trainer push student to complete their certification. They push a student hard to complete assignment, in-class assignment and home fun assignment. The signing of the contract is always pros for the student. It's beneficial. They get the knowledge, they get the skill set. The only cons is that you have to put more effort, more time. Even in the weekend time, you have to come and complete the courses in time. I have many success stories. I have many friends with different background, accounting background, sales background. They get the training, and they are all in IT field, and they are very happy. I spent 15 to 20 hours for my education. NetSoft help students to prepare their resume, and also for the interview they have a whole one class which is called Hire Me class. This is for the resume preparation and for the interview. I'm very proud of getting 15 plus certification with the help of NetSoft. My favorite training was Active Directory training. It was my first training with NetSoft. I learned a lot in that training. I learned Active Directory, I learned security, I learned server side. It was the best training. I recommend NetSoft to the student because NetSoft is the best institute. People can come and get the training and all the skills in very short time, and they can get the job very easy. My message for the student to don't waste your time, join the NetSoft and start your career as soon as possible.